In this video we'll show you how we can pack up our Hilleberg Nallo 3 GT in under sort of 3 minutes 30. I'm going around taking out the pegs and the main guy lines while Frank goes around and ties those up. It's important that you tie these up in just a simple loop. It stops the guy lines getting tangled together when you pack it up, so when you come to unpack it you don't have this tangle of guy lines to worry about. So we'll take out all the pegs. You can see I've got them in my hand there. I usually count them as I take them out, so I know how many I've got. It's important so if you don't lose any. If you get to a wild campsite and you suddenly realise you're a few pegs adrift, you could be in trouble. So the last few guy lines being tidied up there, and then once we've done that I'll take the two main guys, as you can see just coming out here now, one end, leaving the two peg points at the other end which are into the wind to stop the tent from getting blown away. I'm just undoing the pole from its little cup and sleeve, and then Frank is actually pushing the poles out through the sleeve rather than me pulling them out. If you try and pull them out, as you'll see in a little while, I'm a little bit too quick. You end up pulling the elastic. You see it just there. I was a little bit quick. Notice I'm putting those out of the way so I don't stand on them, and we'll pack those away, or Frank will pack those away in a little while. So there's the poles coming out. Again a little bit quick there. And then I'll take the last two pegs out and fold in the outer tent. And I'm looking for the actual footprint there, pulling that out, pushing that over the top, and then what we're doing is actually folding the inner tent inside the ground sheet. So I'm pulling the ground sheet over there, about half and half, then the other side coming over. So we've got about thirds really, I suppose, there. Then we're just pushing out the air before we'll then split it in half again to get about the right size that fits nicely in our pannier. And then I'll roll from one end, so the whole tent is being rolled into one there. A nice neat tight roll, so that should fit into the pannier quite nicely. And then Frank will get the poles and split them all up so that they can be packed into the pole bag. And I'll go and get the pannier to put the tin in. And then you'll notice I accidentally dropped some poles out of the thermarists. Oh, so easily done, but they'll get picked up in a few minutes. Yeah, I've just noticed them over there. Okay, so that's the poles all done. The pannier with the tent in it, I'll go and get those last two pegs, and as I say, the poles go in a separate bag and the pegs will go into the pannier bag, and that's it. All done.